Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing your device so the feature works reliably. First, make sure your iPhone runs iOS 15 or newer and Messenger is updated. This avoids compatibility blocks. Next, open the chat or call where you want to share your screen and tap the video or plus icon to start a call. Once done, grant Messenger access to microphone and screen recording. Without those permissions, you cannot transmit audio or your display. This initial setup prevents interruptions and speeds the rest of the process. You'll now start sharing during the live call. Join or begin a video call, then tap the share or screen share button in the in-call controls. This opens the iOS screen broadcast dialog. Choose Start Broadcast and confirm when the 3-second countdown appears. This begins transmitting your display. While sharing, you can switch to any app and demonstrate steps, documents, or media. Make sure notifications are silenced so private alerts aren't visible. Remember, what you see, participants see, so prepare the content screen first. Finish by stopping the broadcast when you're done. Tap the red status bar at top of your iPhone, then choose Stop, or go back to Messenger and select Stop Share. If participants report no audio, make sure you allowed microphone access in settings right arrow Messenger, and that silent mode isn't blocking sound. If video is choppy, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network, close background apps, or minimize animations to reduce CPU load. One key tip: restart Messenger if sharing won't start. This often clears transient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.